Managing SaaS integrations can be risky if you install new tools without vetting them first. A single weak link can expose your data or create compliance headaches. In this video, we'll show you how to safely evaluate new SaaS tools before connecting them to your systems. Start by checking the vendor's security posture. Look for SOC 2 Type 2 reports, breach history, and transparency around vulnerabilities. Map the tool's data access and flow, granting only the permissions it genuinely needs. Ensure data is encrypted and stored in compliant locations. Review compliance and legal agreements, including DPAs, and confirm data storage aligns with regulations such as GDPR. Choose integrations with secure authentication, like OAuth 2.0, and dashboards that allow you to grant or revoke access instantly. Plan for the end of the partnership. Know how to export your data, delete it from the vendor's systems, and ensure a clean offboarding process. A structured SaaS vetting process transforms potential risk into confidence, keeping your digital ecosystem secure. Take the first step towards safer SaaS adoption. Contact us today.